today we've recreated some famous foods from movies and TV shows that we're going to give to you to try, and you're going to tell us if you like it or if you don't like it, and also what movie or TV show it's from.
Let's grub.
Okay.
I'm singing! I'm in a store and I'm singing!
I'm supposed to eat this?
You want to go first, or do you want me to go first?
I don't want to go at all.
No, it's
I'm finna dive in.
It's maple syrup. I love syrup.
Why is it cold?
That's strangely not unpleasant.
That's not bad.
Absolutely vile.
This is totally Elf.
Yes!
Or he gets his hands and like mangles it all up. So I told you it was Elf. Don't be
I
sorry.
thought you were calling me an elf.
You are an angry Elf.
Full disclosure, I've never seen the movie.
It's a great movie.
Yeah, I guess.
Terrible dish.
Yeah, there are a lot of
great movie.
lot better movies.
Stir it around.
Just palm it.
Come on!
Oh! Whoa!
What is that? Oh, like straight tomato sauce.
How about I feed you?
Go for it.
It's Pop-Tarts and squash for breakfast. It's awesome.
Have some more.
No, that's fine.
No, have some more.
It's like something in the lunch line, but you don't get it.
Oh my gosh.
Like, you see this every day in lunch. Just pass by it.
No, my God.
Good boy.
Oh, well, that's Ratatouille.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah, Ratatouille.
right off the bat.
Well, I mean, everybody knows Ratatouille, right?
How was it? Can you describe it?
Taco meets nacho. I call it the Naco.
This is real good.
Actually good.
Oh, the Odd Parents? No, that's not Disney.
Nickelodeon.
This reminds me of Kimpossible.
That's right. Kim is
Kimpossible?
Yeah.
Impossible.
Call me, beat me.
Burritos?
By ketchup, mustard, pickles, extra onions, lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, and bun, in that order.
Real good.
Krabby Patty.
Oh, is that a Krabby Patty?
Everyone knows Krabby Patty.
Okay.
Oh, they already cut it for us.
Good Burger?
Like the whole show is based on.
Underwater?
Yes.
Oh, it's a Krabby Patty.
Yes.
I know.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
What is it?
It's a trifle. It's got all of these layers. First there's a layer of ladyfingers, then a layer of jam, then custard, raspberries, more ladyfingers, then beef sauteed with peas and onions.
There's peas in there. No.
Oh, that looks awful.
Oh, no. Got peas
This
in
one.
there.
This one. The first one.
Oh.
That is a good bite.
That is an
Give
overcommitment.
It's not for human consumption.
She looked at him like he was trash. It's actually not bad. I kind of like it.
Oh, this is Friends. No way, it's Friends?
Yeah.
Dude, I just completely blew my
I've
mind.
seen Friends.
I'm only on season 5, so like I ain't got there yet.
Smelly cat. Oh, smelly cat. This is what they're feeding you.
Okay, for our first real Icarly cooking segment, we're gonna make spaghetti tacos!
So Italian and Mexican food together.
The taco's kind of like stale.
I wouldn't pay for it.
Oh, hold on, I get it.
Everybody, we all know where this is from. If you ever watch Nick, iCarly,
But if I were in college. I'm just saying. What's the difference?
What about the ramen option?
Yeah. A ramen taco? I would eat that too.
bro, Spencer knew what he was doing. That's smack.
That is
Yeah.
good.
That's one of those things you're like, oh, I'm gonna try it, but never do it. Just like,
I've definitely made something like this at home before.
this could get a second bite. Which one you bite out of?
This side.